Imagine a world where fresh vegetables are grown without soil, sunlight, or seasons. Welcome to the future of farming. This is how fresh vegetables are grown every day, using science and care in a controlled environment. Here, vegetables are grown not in soil, but in a safe, clean place.
We check everything ourselves, by hand.
Every shelf gets equal light and water, so every plant can grow well.
Each plant starts from a single seed, carefully selected by us.
This isn't soil, but a medium full of nutrients.
Automated systems give water and light so the plants grow evenly.
In just a few days, seeds turning into small plants.
The roots get water and nutrients directly, with no soil needed.
Now they have more space to grow strong and healthy.
Here, the vegetables grow fast and healthy.
Every shelf, every plant is checked daily for quality and health.
We monitor every detail, temperature, humidity, and water to help the vegetables grow strong and healthy.
Special nutrients are added to the water, giving each plant exactly what it needs at every stage of growth. Automated watering ensures every plant gets the right amount of moisture with no waste.
Regular pruning and care help the plants grow better, without the need for any pesticides.
Every tray is thoroughly cleaned before being used again, ensuring a hygienic environment for the next batch of seeds.
This lettuce is fresh and ready to be packed for delivery.
Every box is checked and labeled, so you know exactly where your food comes from and when it was harvested.
After every harvest, we start again, planting new seeds for the next crop.
Each new sprout is the beginning of another batch of fresh vegetables. This is how vertical farming works, step by step, with care and attention, bringing fresh vegetables to your table every season.